Okay, so once more, I want to welcome every one of you to the last day of our boot camp. Today is the last day, and one thing I would want you guys to know is you must be consistent and you must be determined to get knowledge, just like we've emphasized and always been in the reminder. You always see it there that the first investment you are to make is to invest in knowledge. Okay, the first investment you should consider making is your investment in knowledge. Okay, so let me know if you can see my screen. Let me know if you can see my screen.
Yes, it's very clear.
Okay. Now, moving forward, we talked about yesterday. We looked at ways you can actually profit from crypto, ways you can actually make money. That's why we call it Crypto Millionaire Bootcamp. What are the ways you can actually make money out of crypto? Because I believe one of the reasons why you attended this bootcamp is, apart from getting an overview of what blockchain and cryptocurrency is all about, is such that you are able um you equip yourself with so much knowledge that you can translate to a tangible returns, okay, on your investment. Okay, so today we are going to be looking at trading. I told us there are several ways you can make money. Airdrop, some if you for those persons who followed the link on this our Telegram group to the forum on Airdrop, by now I believe you already have started mining the Islamic coin we were talking about earlier in this call. Okay, so these are that is just one way to earn. There is liquidity mining, there is normal mining, there is staking. A number of them. There is buying and selling, which has to do with trading. So when it comes to trading, we made mention of a number of types of trading yesterday. The first one is spot trading. Okay, when we are talking about trading, basically means buying and selling. Can you guys see my screen? Hello, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so when we are talking about trading, we're talking about, because we are going to wrap up this bootcamp with this trading. Okay, we're talking about trading. Trading is not so bulky, it's not complex. What it simply means is buying and selling of cryptocurrency. Okay, so of course, if you want to buy, you are hoping to make profit. So if you are buying when the price is low and you are selling when the price is high. So that's just the basic fundamental knowledge of what trading is all about. But the question there is now, when are you going to buy? When is it low enough for you to buy? When is it high enough for you to sell? And what are you going to buy? What are you going to sell? Yesterday we talked about what to buy, how to know what to buy. Okay, so today we want to look at when to buy, how to, or the different types of trading. So in trading, the knowledge you're supposed to equip yourself with is when to buy um and when to sell. How low is it low enough to buy? How high is it high enough to sell? So the first one we're going to be looking at is what we call spot trading. Now, spot trading refers to buying and selling of cryptocurrency at the current market price, or maybe at a future price, with 1:1, with the intention of making immediate delivery of the cryptocurrency traded. So therefore, if you have $10 and you want to buy crypto, you will buy $10 worth of crypto. You are buying the exact amount that you are using to actually make that purchase. Are we following now? So that's basically what spot trading is all about. And when you are doing spot trading, you own the crypto. Okay, you own the crypto. You can send it out of that particular platform that you are buying from. Okay, let's say you are buying from CoinW. You bought Bitcoin worth $20, $10, $5, $100. You can send that Bitcoin out and send that Ethereum out. You can send that BNB out as long as you traded spot. Okay, so you own that particular crypto that you actually bought. Okay, so you hear about people buying. That's why we discussed that yesterday. So when you know what to buy, then you can engage in either spot trading or the other types of trading that we'll be looking at subsequently. Then yesterday we also looked at decentralized wallets. When you talk about decentralized wallets, you talk about decentralized trading. You talk about what? Decentralized trading. Now this is just an example of just a guide on how you can actually get started with trading. We have a concise video on this on YouTube, but I'm just going to be explaining it briefly. Okay, if you look at the first screenshot there, this is what we call Trust Wallet. For those of us who don't know, Trust Wallet is a custodial wallet. We talked about that yesterday. An example of custodial wallet, we talked about Trust Wallet. So how many of you have used Trust Wallet before? Maybe you already have a wallet, maybe Trust Wallet, MetaMask, IM Token, Tron Link Pro, C98, and a number of them. How many of us have used Trust Wallet before?
I do. I have Trust Wallet.
Okay. So when you the step to follow, okay, when you want to buy and sell, the first thing you need to create a wallet, which is very simple. You go to Play Store, download the wallet. It will ask you, do you want to import your wallet or you want to create a new one? If you don't have a wallet before, you can create a new one. Copy that private address that we talked about. In crypto, you have your public address, you have your private address. That 12 digits phrase, you copy them down and you save it somewhere. You either save it somewhere secured that you won't lose it. Okay. Then once you've done that, the next thing is to, if you want to trade crypto or if you want to trade in the decentralized exchange. Now there is what is called, you need to take note of blockchains. Yesterday we talked about different blockchains. Like Bitcoin is a blockchain, Ethereum is a blockchain, BNB is a blockchain, Avax, Matic, that's Polygon. Which other one? We have Shibarium, we have Ludo, we have Arbitrum, and the rest of them. So all these are blockchains. So what you need to pay attention to is that the token you are buying from is on which blockchain. Okay, the token you are buying from is from which blockchain. If you want to buy a token on Ethereum blockchain, you need to have Ethereum because that's what you can use to buy, or any other token on Ethereum blockchain. But you must have Ethereum because it's Ethereum that you will use to pay for the gas fee. The gas fee means the transaction fee, what you will be charged to actually carry out that particular transaction. Then if you go to your Trust Wallet, you go straight to what we call the browser here. Okay, you click on the browser here. When you click on the browser, this interface is going to show like this. Then you input the website. Okay, you input the website. Maybe if you want to buy a token on Ethereum, it will determine the exchange you will use. Okay, you can basically use Uniswap or Aave. Okay, that's the two. Okay, you can also use PancakeSwap as well. But if you want to transact on the Binance blockchain, you need to have PancakeSwap. You need to go to PancakeSwap, or you need to go to Bakery Swap. Which other? Okay, these are the two most popular decentralized exchange on Binance blockchain. Okay, then you input the website. You input the website of this particular decentralized exchange. When you put the website, it's going to take you to the fourth interface. Okay, but the reason why we are showing this third interface is you need the contract address. There's what is called contract address. Every token has a smart contract address. It is more or less like the unique address that you can use to identify that particular project. Okay, no two projects have the same contract address. Let's say, for example, you want to buy a token. I think what is on our screen here is WikiCat. Okay, you want to buy WikiCat. You go to CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap is a platform that you can use that let me say that keep tracks of the metrics of cryptocurrency. It tells you, okay, these are the like this particular project now, Coin WikiCat. If you go there and search for WikiCat, you can see it gives you information about that particular token. It tells you about the website, the explorers, their social media handle. So what I do most times, especially a token that I don't know their address, or even if I know, I don't want to fall for scam. Maybe I forgot about their website. Like for example, OpenSea, where you can buy NFTs, it's OpenSea.com. Sometimes because of the way cryptocurrency is, almost every website is using .io. You might one day confuse yourself and go and type OpenSea.io, and you might just get scammed. Okay, so what I do is I go to CoinMarketCap, search for a particular crypto project, and copy the contract address. You can see below on that third screenshot address with the copy icon there. You can see copy icon there. So you can click on the copy icon. Once you click on the copy icon, you come back to your decentralized exchange on your wallet. You can actually do that on any wallet, Trust Wallet, like the wallet I made mention of, MetaMask, AIM token, and the rest of them. Okay, so but I will give us a hint. Well, my most preferred wallet for now is AIM token wallet and C98 wallet. Okay, they are one of the most sophisticated wallets on okay, let me don't go on okay, let me just explain that a little. On AIM token, for those of you who are already into crypto, you cannot import two wallets on MetaMask. And okay, though there is a way to bypass that, and with your recovery freeze, like on Trust Wallet, you can import up to 10 wallets. You can add up to 10 wallets on your Trust Wallet. But on MetaMask, you can only add one. Then the others you want to add, you will use your public key. Okay, your public key. But on IM token, you can add several wallets. And even if you add a wallet with recovery phrase, maybe you created a wallet in Trust Wallet and there is no way you can access the public key. Once you import that same wallet on IM token, they give you the public key and the recovery phrase automatically. So that's one feature I love about IM token wallet. Okay, so back to what we are saying. Once you copy your recovery phrase, you can see, of course, you highlight the BNB. BNB, like I said, is what you will use to pay for the token you want to buy, because probably this particular crypto now is on Binance blockchain. You can see it on the third listing. Is Binance Smart Chain. That's BEP20. Okay, so you need to have BNB there. Then when you want to swap, okay, you want to buy this particular token, you click on this. Maybe what you are going to see there will be cake, because that's their exchange. But we show you BNB to get cake. Okay, so when you click on that cake, you are going to see a search bar where you paste the contract address. Once you paste the contract address, you click on this token is going to be highlighted. You click on it, then you have what's the interface you have here. Okay, so you can now decide how much you want to swap. Okay, so you can type in the amount of BNB here to get you'll be seeing the equivalent of the token that you want to buy. Okay, so that's basically how to use decentralized exchange. More complex ones would be when we are talking about maybe bridging or staking or creating liquidity on decentralized exchange. Those ones are much more technical, but they are not hard at all. Okay, so we are just talking about how you can quickly buy tokens. Okay, here we have a centralized exchange. So we'll be using CoinW as an interface to do that. Okay. So this is basically how most centralized exchange look like. Basically how most centralized exchange look like. This is the home. Then you have market. Market is where you can see, search for all the whole tokens. Okay, where you can search for virtually all the tokens. You can see spots, you can see features, you can see ETFs. Okay. Then for you to actually buy, that's spot trading now. You're talking about spot trading. For you to actually buy spots, you need to go to market. I think this is how almost all crypto exchanges are. This is how almost all crypto exchanges are. You see home, you see market, you see trade, you see community, you see features, you see wallet. Okay. Your wallet is where you can see your the coins that you are holding and how much they are worth. Okay. For spot trading, you just go straight to market. When you go straight to market, you can search, you can click here to search on can you see my cursor? You can click on the search icon there to search for the particular token that you want. Okay, so you can also highlight sports features ETF. We are coming to ETF though. Then this is the interface you are going to see. Okay, once probably I just selected the first one here. Once you select the first one, this is the interface you are going to see. So you are going to decide whether you want to use limits or market. Okay, you decide that you want to use limit or market. Now when you are using limit, you are seeing maybe the current price, like you can see the current price of this particular token is 4.89. You can say, okay, I don't want to buy at 4.89. Probably this token is going to drop down to maybe $3 or $4. Okay, you can use the limit. You can use the limit order. We call it limit order. But when you are using the market order, it means you want to buy at the current price. So once you just click on the market, then you can now input, you'll be seeing the value of the money you already have. Okay, seeing the value of the money you already have here. So you can now decide if you have $100, you can say, okay, let me buy with $10, $50, $80, or all of them. Okay, so that's that about spot trading. Very simple and easy. Okay, remember that you need to fund your account first. Okay, then we have what we call ETF trading. A cryptocurrency is called exchange traded fund. The reason why Bitcoin pumped yesterday was because of Grayscale. Grayscale, they turned their Bitcoin, they were holding Bitcoins, so they turned their Bitcoin to ETF. Okay, it's called exchange traded fund, and they are currently on a lawsuit with SEC, that's the Security Exchange Commission. So the Security Exchange Commission is an institution or a body that govern anything that has to do with exchange, securities, digital asset, and so on. Okay, so they are the governing body. So SEC is suing them for changing their Bitcoin to ETF. That's exchange traded fund. Okay, so they actually won. They did not really win the case. The judges just said that SEC don't have not provided any tangible reason why they should not approve of their ETF. Okay, so that's even why Bitcoin pushed up. And the company, okay, they have a Bitcoin fund. That's the traded fund now. Their company went as high as 20% or 25% in valuation, just like the way you trade stock. Okay, so that single news made Bitcoin went as high as what it did earlier yesterday. Okay, so that's what exchange traded fund means. Now, a cryptocurrency ETF measures the price of one or more digital tokens. Now, what it simply means, forget about all these languages up here. It simply means trading spot with leverage. We talked about yesterday that even today, that spot is 1:1. But when you're talking about ETF, you're talking about spot with leverage, which means that you are still buying a kind of that particular token, but you are now buying it with leverage. On CoinW, you will see like ETL, ETH3L, ETH3 short, ETL, others on some exchanges you will see ETH up, ETH down. Some exchange you see ETH bull, ETH bear. What it means is that if you buy ETH long, okay, you will buy a particular quantity. Now, when you buy that ETH long, it therefore means that if market goes up, it would give you 3 times the normal profit you are supposed to make. If it goes against you, it will give you 3 times the normal losses it's supposed to give you. So some persons who don't want to trade futures, it's almost the same thing. Just that I'll explain the difference is just that when you are trading ETF, you cannot get liquidated. Liquidated means that you are blowing up your account. Okay, when you're trading ETF, you don't get liquidated. When you're talking about ETH3, I love ETFs. Okay, if you ETF needs if you are skillful with ETFs, you can make so much money. Okay, you can make so much money. We got ETF token for I got ETF token at $80 with $80 on XRP. I'm so much bullish on XRP. Okay, if you have been following XRP for a while, you know that Japan and Asia are looking at adopting XRP for cross-border transfers because it is cheap. The transaction fee is cheap and is very fast. Okay, so I just gave you a hint. Now, when you're talking about ETFs, like I said, okay, you're talking about ETFs, like I said, the reason why I love ETFs is that it gives you so much profit without blowing your account and you can hold for long. Okay, so it has to do with timing, especially currently, market is relatively low. If you enter the market now with ETFs and maybe if it goes against you, you lose well. If it goes up, you make so much money as well. But a strategy you can use, I'm now teaching us another thing. Okay, a strategy that you can use is what we call hedging. Is hedging strategy. That hedging strategy, currently the market is, let me just say, let's just use the word the market's in the middle. Okay. So you can use hedging in the sense that you can buy a particular token. Maybe you want to buy Bitcoin or you want to buy Ethereum or you want to buy XRP. You can say, okay, let me use $20 buy XRP long, $20 buy XRP short. Now, whether the market goes up or down, maybe the market goes up, the XRP short that you bought might actually get insignificant. But when you look at the profits you'll be getting from the XRP long, it will far more exceed what you've actually lost in the XRP short. We got XRP long. That was when XRP was at 0.5, 0.51. And when XRP did the bullish, when XRP went as high as it went, that should be some weeks ago, $80 was giving $1,000. Okay, so that's the magic of ETF. So, but you need to be skillful at that. So these we are using CoinW because that's our trading our partner for this bootcamp. So we have this is how to trade it. You still go to markets. When you go to markets, that's the second icon, the bottom. At the second icon at the bottom, you click on ETF. Once you click on ETF, you can see. Can you guys see my screen?
No, boss. I dropped a message on you. I can't see your screen.
Okay, let me connect back. So, I hope we are following so far. Have we been following?
Yes, boss. Hmm.
Okay, I'm connecting my screen. Got disconnected from Telegram. Seems I'm not the only one that was disconnected. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so I was explaining how to trade ETF. So basically, you go to the same market like sports, but when you come to market on the second screenshot here, you see ETF. So you click on ETF. Then you can also search for the ETFs that you want. Okay, these are I think these are my favorite ETF. You trade, volatility as a trader. You don't shy away from volatility. If it's going against you, you make losses, but if you are right on track, you make so much profit from it. Okay, so the same thing, you can use limit or market order. Select the amount you would want to buy, and you go ahead with that. Very simple. So we have the next one, which is features. Features trading. Crypto features gives investors the opportunity to bet on features on future prices of crypto or Bitcoin without having to actually own or handle it. It is one type of leverage trading. So leverage trading involves borrowing funds from a broker to amplify a trader's buying power, which can result in increase exposure to market movement and heighten profit potential. I think I did a little explanation on that yesterday. So it's more or less like, let's say you have $100 and you are using 10x. 10x means that you are borrowing, more or less like you are borrowing funds from the exchange. That's times 10 of the amount of money that you have. So if it's 100 times 10, that's 1,000. So if you are buying a if you are buying a token, you are buying it with a buying power of 1,000 instead of $100. Okay, so that's basically what features mean. And see, another thing you need to notice is that you are not actually getting without actually owning it. Okay, so if you are trading features, you cannot say, okay, I'm longing Bitcoin. Let me remove the Bitcoin I'm longing and send to my wallet. No, you are not actually owning it, but you can make profit from the movement. Okay, so this is basically, okay, let's look at this very quickly. So for you to actually trade crypto, this is the same home. When you come to home, you go straight to features. There is features here, but before then, you need to go to your wallet and transfer to your features wallet. You have features wallet, you have spot wallet, you have P2P wallet, the rest of them. So for you to trade features, you need to transfer to your features wallet. Okay. So this is once you click on features, let me explain this. So when you come, the first slide here where my cursor is, you see Bitcoin against USD perpetual. So you click on that to select the token you want to trade. Okay, you click on that to select the token you want to trade. You can see the percentage, whether profit or loss, close to the particular crypto. Then this circled in pink, when you click on that, is for you to view the chart. So maybe you want to analyze the chart on the platform, you want to look at the candlestick or the bar chart, you click on that icon on purple. Okay, then we have here you can also select okay, we'll come to this later. Then here is your available margin. Available margin is the amount of money you deposited or you sent to your features wallet. Okay, everything is going to be showing here to tell you maybe you have $100 margin. Okay, you can now use a slide bar to select the amount you want to use out of that $100 for a single position. Okay, for a single position. Okay, then you can now decide to long or short. On CoinW, you'll be seeing the long and short in the same interface. In some exchanges, you will need to select long before you can actually do all these settings here. Then you will highlight this one when you click on market. Okay, when you click on market on blue, this is what you are going to see. So on the features interface, you have an extra order. Okay, you have an extra order. The spot trading, we have the market, which is you're buying at the current price. Limit, you are buying at a feature price. Trigger can actually go, is still the same thing as feature price. Okay, so you want to buy at the particular price that is not the current price. If Bitcoin is on the chart here, we can see that Bitcoin is at 25,900. Okay, so you can decide to say, I'm buying I want to buy at 26,000, I want to buy at 24,000. So you can use the limit or the trigger order to actually do that. Then when you look at when you click on this isolated, okay, when you click on, if you look at the first screenshot, when you click on isolated, you are going to see this adjust mode and leverage. This is where you select the leverage you want to use. We talked about, let's say you have $100, if you are using 10x, it means you are using 10 times 100, which is 1,000. So this is where you select the leverage to use. You can see if you are trading Bitcoin, you can have as high as 200 leverage. Okay, but for newbies, our community recommend that you don't go above 10%, 10x. Okay, you don't go above 10x until you've mastered or you've actually traded for a while. Okay, so you'll be able to understand the volatility involved. Some tokens, if you use 5x, like for Pepe, like all these meme tokens, Arbitrum, SU, Ludo, Matic, XRP, they are very volatile. If even with a 10x, your account can get liquidated with some movement in 4 hours or 1 day candle. Okay, so that's why you need to test it gradually to understand, because each token have its volatility. Like Pepe is very volatile, Shiba and the rest of them, they are very volatile. Single 1 minute candle, if I, let's say 5 minute candle can give you up to 10%, 20%, or even 40% profit. Okay, so this is the final interface when you eventually place a trade. You can see a screenshot. I want to explain this. This is a position. Whenever you place a trade and that trade is on, you are going to see it under position. When you place an order that have not triggered, when you use limit order, you are going to see it under open orders. When you use the trigger order, you are going to see it under placed orders. Okay, so when your trade has been triggered or you enter your trade at market order, you are going to be seeing something like this, whether you're on profit or whether you are on loss. Okay, so you are going to be seeing the marked price. Marked price is the price, um the current price. Average price is the price you entered that particular crypto. Then you'll be seeing isolated shorts. Now I did not explain the isolated short. Let me go back to the third slide here. Now under this isolated, that's why I prefer CoinW. For some persons who have traded, maybe you've traded on other exchanges and you come to CoinW, our trading partner, you are going to enjoy them because of this particular feature. Now on other exchanges, you see isolated and cross only. Okay, you see isolated and cross. Isolated here means that if I enter a single position, like here you can see, I enter a single position with $14. Okay, if my futures wallet, I have $100. Okay, if I'm using isolated and probably I'm not using any stop loss, if the market goes against me and liquidate my $14 is gone. Okay, but if I'm using cross, I'm telling them that if it goes against me and $14 is liquidated, they can, for me to still stay in that position, they can start minusing it from the $100 that is left. Okay, from the entire wallet balance, which is dangerous for newbies. Okay, don't use cross if you are still a newbie. Okay, another thing again with CoinW is that you can use split position. Split position makes you to long and short a particular token at the same time. Makes you long and short. Like now on this trade, I'm longing Aptos. I can shorten Aptos on this trade. I can long Aptos at the same time. Okay, without having this one to be closed. But on Binance, for example, if you open another, maybe you are shorting Aptos and you want to long it, it will merge the two of them together. Okay, so far so good. This is just from we have our traders community, but we are just showing you screenshots from our free signal group. So these are like what we sent to you on the WhatsApp group. This is what some persons in our signal group are doing. Okay, so if we can guide you. I think we are almost coming to the end. So we have a free signal group. Our sponsor CoinW, that's our trading partner, is a top 10 derivative exchange by coin market cap ranking, and having a trading volume of over $20 billion daily. Okay, so they are, I think by next 2 months, to be in August, by next 2 months, they'll be celebrating their 6 years anniversary. Okay, so we have been partnering with them since last year, and since last year we have been offering free signals and up to $500 welcome bonus. So when, if you decide to join CoinW today, you are going to be getting $500 trading bonus, and part of the giveaway we are doing is sponsored by our partner CoinW. For everybody who would want to start up trading with CoinW, what you can get is free daily signals. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? I think noise is coming from my background.
I can hear you clearly.
Okay, so part of what you are going to be enjoying, for those of you who want to start trading, I told you you can buy spot crypto, maybe buy cryptos to wait for a long time. But if you want to make daily income, you need to start trading. Okay, basically futures trading. So what we do for you in the free signal group or in the free signal platform is we give you daily signals. Okay, it's CoinW that is making it possible. If not, you'll be paying for those signals. We have a premium group, which we also recommend that you join. So you get free signals daily, up to 5 signals daily. You also get live trading. We have live trading section Monday to Thursday, 4 times a week. We have live trading section. Now from this $500, you have, immediately you register and you verify your account. Okay, you have $10 at your disposal to trade with. Okay, you have $10 at your disposal to trade with. Now I have another offer for you. We are wrapping up today. I have another offer for you. Is what we call the Sofe Crypto Affiliate Blueprint. Now, this affiliate blueprint is, you want to learn the exact strategy that I and my team use to generate over $6,000 in passive income partnering with CoinW. Okay, we did this within a period of 5 months. Okay, before now we used to charge for this. I think there are some persons who actually paid heavily, paid about $30 to have this blueprint, but we are no longer selling this blueprint. Okay, we are no longer selling this blueprint. One is that opportunity to join my crypto affiliate network. You don't need to have knowledge about trading. No special skill or expertise is required. Now, if you want to benefit from this, I'm going to hold your hand and teach you how I will teach you until you start making profit. And this is what we call passive income. Okay, passive income is making money without, while you are sleeping, you can be making income. Okay, so every day I wake up, I go back and check my back office and see I am earning crypto, no matter how small. I'm earning from traders who are under my network, who are under my team, and there is no so much work required apart from the initial effort you are making to get these people involved. And I'm going to be training you on how to do all of that. Okay, now our offer that we have again for you is our coaching program. We have our coaching program where you enroll and we teach you. We have a full 1 month full traders course covering technical analysis, risk management, and trading psychology. Now, you know how to trade, but you might be deficient in risk management and trading psychology. You can go on Google and probably have some knowledge about technical analysis, and you get yourself started. Probably if you have that knowledge, you can join our free signal group, join other crypto traders, and make money trading every day. Okay, or you can join our coaching program where we also go an extra mile to teach you about risk management and trading psychology. Okay, so that's how to manage your fear and how to manage your greed. You also get okay, this one we are going to talk about that. We in our traders coaching program, we have 3 times in a week live section. Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. We apart from CoinW, you see the package is enormous. In partnership with CoinW, we are doing 4 times live trading sections in the morning. Okay, that's Nigerian time, 10 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. Okay, but for our traders coaching program, we also go an extra mile of having 3 times in a week live coaching. So this is where we mentor you, you ask your question personally. But on that of CoinW, you follow the trader. We have professional traders who analyze the market. So you follow us the way we analyze market. We tell you there is a buy opportunity, there is a sell opportunity. You follow us like that. Okay. So you can also have access to our traders community. Now, both the affiliate program and the coaching program, we are no longer selling them individually. We have combined both of them. Before now, you pay for them differently. We have combined both of them into what we call our premium program. Joining our premium community. Sofe Group, we launched a premium community where you have the traders course we talked about, covering technical analysis, risk management, and trading psychology. You have access to our traders community, and is dual. Our traders community is now dual, where you trade both crypto and forex. We are not limiting you. We are not limiting you. If you pass through our training on technical analysis, risk management, and psychology of trading, you can trade any financial market. You can trade crypto, you can trade forex, you can trade stock, you can trade indices. Okay, so you also get both crypto and forex signals. Now on the CoinW, our partnership with CoinW is basically on crypto. Okay, so if you can join us, probably just basically trading crypto. But if you really want to become a financial market trader, then you want to join our traders community. That's our premium package, where we also talked about having 3 times in a week live section. And we have what we call a premium crypto gem and airdrop call. So we give you information about coins to buy. Just like I told you about one of our clients, we told about XRP, he bought with $80 and it went as high as $1,000 on a particular token. That's why I told you that was on an ETF call. Once study your ETFs and you know your entry, you'll be able to make money out of that. Okay. So this is our we released a student package because Sofe Group we are building a student community across tertiary institution in Africa. Okay, so we just started with Nigeria. So because of that, we brought down our package to student. We have a student package where you get to pay $30 or 20,000 in Nigerian currency. You have free 1 month subscription. That's after the training, you have free 1 month subscription. Then you pay a monthly subscription of $5. Okay, either 5,000 or $5 equivalent. Then you get a 15% referral commission. So when you invite your friends, just like some of you have been doing, you invite your friends to this boot camp. In fact, those persons who invited their friends to this boot camp, once they subscribe for any of this package, plus or minus, you still get this commission paid to you instantly. Okay, we have our regular package. This is our regular package before we created the student package, where you get to pay $100. Okay, for you get 2 free months subscription. You pay $10 every month. Okay, that's after your 3 months have expired, and you also get commission. That's 30% referral commission. Then we also have the VIP package where you get to pay just $300 for a year. So you have 1 year free monthly subscription, and you have 50% referral commission. So this is a flyer for that. These are flyer for that, the student premium and VIP package. That's the details. Then for this training, we are going to be giving you 20% discount today. Okay, those persons who are interested in taking their crypto journey to the next level. The first thing is that we've given you sufficient knowledge to you can be a member, join our community here on Telegram, and be getting information. the information, the knowledge you've gotten from this boot camp can help you navigate your way in the crypto space, especially when it comes to knowing the coins to buy and how to easily trade, with other resources that we have on our YouTube channel, which are at your disposal for free. Okay, but if you want to take your trading, like we told you initially, the first bootcamp we have, people paid for our traders community and the crypto affiliate bootcamp separately, $30, $100. Okay, but this time around we are joining everything together and we are giving you a discount. Okay, we are giving you a discount of 20%. That's if you are making payments within the next 24 hours. Now we are giving an extra 10% discount. We've been observing people who are active on the platform. Uh, Now remember, for those of you, I think someone is joining now. I would advise, don't forget to claim your your 10, in fact, your $10 from our trading partner point of view. You are going to be dropping the link. In fact, I'll be dropping the link shortly in the chat box. So you make sure you claim your $10 from our trading, not $10 now, $500 from our trading partner. Once you verify your account, you get $10 immediately to trade. Okay, you get $10 immediately to trade. Once you deposit and you are trading on the platform, you get to unlock other you get to unlock up to $500 um from your trading that's from your from the that's from the $500 you are being given as a new member. Okay, so that's that for those of us who are paying, um who are going ahead to make payment today. So I would like to know, those of us who would want to, now I made mention of an extra 10%. Now an extra 10% goes to those persons who we've noticed. We said go share this bootcamp on your social media platform and tag us. So far so good. We've seen just two persons who qualify for this extra discount. Okay, we've seen just two persons who qualify for this extra discount. So that will be Favor, Paul, and Grace. So that's if they are also taking this opportunity. You can go with any of the package, like we made mention of. You can go with any of the package. You get an extra 30%. That would be for the next today is Wednesday, for the next 48 hours. Okay, that's 30% commission, 20% discount, and 30% discount as well. So let's get to hear from you guys. So I want to know how many of us would want to take, you want to go ahead today. If you want to go ahead today, let me know. Just indicate you want to go ahead, probably subscribing to any of the premium packages. You want to go ahead just now. Maybe you can pay with crypto, or that's if you're not paying in Naira, you can decide to pay in crypto. So let me get to know how many of us are ready to take our crypto journey to the next level. Yeah, if you want to speak, you can speak up, or which payment method. We can drop any payment method. You can let us know on the chat box. We can drop any payment method of your choice. You can see the Naira payment method already on your screen. We could also drop that as well for those who want to take steps.
Good evening, boss. And good evening,
Yeah, go
everybody.
ahead.
Um, First off is thank you for the discounts for me and Grace. So please, one thing I would like to know is that because if I'm to pay, I would go with the Naira listing, but it's not calculating the discount. So like how much will it, since we fall under the student package, the 30% discount will be roughly how much to the no.
Okay, it's Favor that is speaking. Since we are giving you
Yes.
30% discount, okay, 30% discount is 6,000 naira. That's you're paying with naira. So you just be making a payment of 14,000. Just be making a payment of 14,000 to join with the student package subscription.
Okay. All right. Well, I is so
Okay, so I'll be dropping that the payment method in naira. You're making payment right away.
I see it on the screen now. Well, I cannot make payment right away now because I would have to make plans towards it. That's the best possibility because I'm really interested to change my financial status. So having to pay this amount, I will have to prepare myself to do that.
Okay. Now for the rest of us, those persons, I think for just today, if we get persons, we can still give you that 30%. But if it goes beyond today, okay, if you don't indicate here, then you just have the 20% discount. Okay, you just have the 20% discount. So that's that. So let's get to hear us. So I believe so far so good. From what you've learned day one, day two, day three. We also have a free resource on our YouTube channel. Okay, for newbies that I've been mentioning how to create your crypto wallet, how to buy and sell. We are going to be dropping that link as well just now in the comment section. So our advice is that the first thing, the most important thing you need to know when it comes to this space is you must be a member of an active community that you get information, okay, timely information, because this industry is driven by information. So we are going to drop that resource for us just now. So do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel in case of upcoming videos. Okay, so far so good. Let's take our questions. Do we have any questions so far? Any questions you want to ask me or ask us, or anything pertaining crypto? I think you can go ahead to ask me now. If you have any question pertaining crypto or pertaining the class or what we've taught, you can go ahead to unmute yourself and ask it in the comment section.
Good evening, boss.
Good evening.
Mm, yeah, question I have regards cryptocurrency is that can you this word smart contract is still kind of vague in my head. I don't understand. Can you please expatiate?
Okay. Smart contract, let me say, is just like coding. It's just a line of some lines of code, just like the way website is being coded. You get. So, but this the thing about smart contract is that it cannot be edited. Okay. There can be some vulnerabilities in the smart contract. Usually where you get okay, let me not even go that way in order not to confuse you the more. So the thing about a smart contract is that every crypto has a smart contract. That smart contract that makes it secure, such that after writing a smart contract and you say, okay, this is what your contract is doing, or this is what your project is doing, you don't go behind the scene and go and edit the features. Or let's say, for example, some of these tokens, like which one will I use now? Like some of these tokens on decentralized exchange that you hear there are 2% tax, 10% tax. There was a project that at launch they pro they will increase the tax. Maybe they'll reduce the buy tax. Buy tax might be free, but sell tax might be up to 10%, 5%. The reason they are doing that is so that people who are buying will not sell. So you want to sell when you've made profit, because if you sell, you are losing like 10% of what you bought. Okay, so over time they might decide to reduce it. Okay, that's where they can edit the smart contract. But the thing there with smart contract is that you can actually make provisions for editing, but what we know, most smart contract that are, how will I put it now, that you trust more are those that are not editable. Okay, they are not editable, especially platforms that have to do with algorithm. That's why we have if there are contracts that are editable, they need to take permission from the community. That's where you get to hear about DAO. That's decentralized autonomous organization. So before they can maybe make any changes in that contract, which token that you know? What's the popular token that you know?
Is it
Mm,
one that is launched or yet to be launched? Okay, corporate token.
any
Let's say ERC 20,
ARC?
or is
Is
it
it Ethereum?
ETH? Yeah, Ethereum, ETH, right?
Okay, yeah, Ethereum.
Yeah.
So that Ethereum has is not just one line of code. It's not just like we talked about a coin and a token. So Ethereum
Yes.
has so many smart contracts in the system. So, but when you have just a contract is just I don't know if I've answered your question. The thing is
Yes,
just
sir. Yes,
that
sir.
it's just unique, different from the normal system that we have. Okay,
Can
the
you mention
difference,
also
basically,
the
the
platform?
difference is that a smart contract is built on the blockchain, while
Yes,
every
yes.
other contract, whether a website, any other algorithm, is not built on the blockchain.
Yeah, that's correct. That's correct. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Do
So
we have any question?
I have another question.
Okay, go ahead.
Please, is the public in for a crypto wallet, the public address, do the same thing as the wallet address?
Yes, it's the same thing.
Okay. Okay. Why the private address, like the keywords and the phrases that you receive when you open it?
Yes, exactly.
All right. Right. All right. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Feel free to ask any question, probably from day one, day two, day three, or any other thing that you might want to ask, maybe from anything concerning crypto or blockchain.
Sir, please let me ask you.
Okay, go
I
ahead.
have a I have a friend of mine that is venturing to NFT. these non-fungible tokens. Yeah. So
Okay.
I don't know. I don't know. Is there? Is it? I think it's still an application of blockchain. But in what angle does it come from? Because I know we're not trading there. I think there's a buying and selling, but I don't really know. And I have a vague understanding about it. Can what is the venture about? Is it profitable?
Okay. For concerning NFTs are non-fungible token, like you said. So they have
Yeah.
application in royalties. We talked about royalties in day one. Okay. So they are more like you cannot just say they are digital art, but the most popular form of NFT that people know is digital art. Okay, so somebody can design something and put it for sale and you cannot copy it. That's why it's called non-fungible. Non-fungible
Okay.
means it doesn't have the same kind. So you cannot see one NFT that is two. Okay, they
Okay.
must be every NFT is unique. There is no NFT that is similar. Even if it might look alike, but there must be something that makes it unique. That's why it's
Okay.
called non-fungible token. Now, there is what is called NFT trading. Okay, even up to now, people still trade NFT. There is a whole lot that has to do with NFT. You know, buying the NFTs. It's still you still buy when it's launch or maybe when it's low and decide to sell when it's high. But some persons might hold for fun, but definitely hold or buying them to make profits.
Mm.
Okay, so we are organizing a more we are organizing a cohort, an upcoming cohort, which we are going to be looking at other aspect of blockchain, like you brought up NFT. We are going to be looking at careers in blockchain. We're also going to be looking at crypto trading in details, probably looking at NFT, technical analysis, fundamentals of technical analysis, and careers in blockchain as well. But that one is coming up probably by next month, towards the middle or end of next month. So if you are still aware, if you are still around, you will be informed about when registration will be starting. Of course, registration is going to be a paid cohort, so but it's going to be very affordable, around $5 or so. So you are going to be trained and certified as well. Okay.
All right. All right. So understood.
Okay. Do we have any other person have a question before we call it a day? Okay, so those of us who have stayed up to this moment, we appreciate you. We the recording, of course, we are going to be seeing the recording hopefully by tomorrow. But it's not going to stay so long on our YouTube channel. We are going to pull them down. So if you want to go get the information, so keep them, then you need to go back, watch them as fast as you can before we pull them down out of the YouTube channel. Okay. So we can go ahead do our shout out before we call it a day. Then we would also appreciate that we go to our social media handles and write what we learned, share what you learned from the boot camp. Okay, so we can go ahead do our shout out before we call it a day.
All right. A very big thank you to Sofe Group and Con W for this boot camp. So these 3 days was worth it. It was worth it. I learned a lot. Really, thank you for this opportunity. And boss, I just wanted to ask, so because I remembered during the WhatsApp platform talking about sharing the links to our friends and to our friends, and then using our Telegram handle as the referral stuff. I don't know if there's anything in. I don't know if there's anybody that. I don't know if there's anything about that one. Just to ask. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, drop your. We are going to announce that after today. We are going to check the highest referral. Okay.
All right. All right.
Okay. So let's
Well,
call it
thank
a
you so
day.
much, sir. Really appreciate
You're welcome, Grace. You're welcome. I see.
it. God bless you.
You're very much welcome. So let's keep engaging in the community. Like for those of us who are aware in our community, we have community activities where we can win rewards on a weekly basis on Tuesdays, Thursdays, Fridays. You can win rewards by participating in the community activity. So you learn at the same time you earn reward. Okay, so keep engaging in the community. We are also working on several partnership events that would actually opportunity to make profits, to win reward, get knowledge more, and get yourself positioned. Okay, so for those of us who are yet to fill our membership form, we have a membership form for those persons who would like to be full members of our community. Okay, want to be members of our community, we are going to drop the link to the membership form so that you fill the form and we go through your request and see how we can actually help you in your journey in the crypto space. Okay, so good night to everybody. Good night from Nigeria. Thank you guys for being around. See you guys in the community. Take care.
All right. Thank you, boss.